paper planes! Hi friend, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car Bubbles. Welcome to my channel. We are going to make an insect out of Play-Doh. Alright Bubbles, let's go! Why don't you answer this question to win a membership card? It is very simple. You need to put it in the comment section below. Which two colors will you mix to make the color violet? For this, we will require Play-Doh. It is going to be a lot of fun, isn't it? Now, let's start rolling the Play-Doh into a circle and then make it into a rectangular shape. Now, you can try making it a little flat. And after that, why don't you try making two snake-like objects? Yes, these are going to be the antlers for your butterfly. This looks great. Now, it's time for us to take another color and start making the wings. But before that, why don't we make a ball out of it? Great! Let's do the same thing with blue color. Now, let's take the pink color and divide it into two parts. And then, why don't we divide this big part into two equal parts? Let's make it a little flat and then start putting it as two wings. Yes, one on the left side and the other one on the right side. All you have to do is stick it with the body. Similarly, let's do the same thing with blue color. Great! It's time for us to make a beautiful design, something like this. Lovely! Now, let's take yellow color and start making the eyes. You can make a dot in the middle so that it looks like the eyeball. Why don't we do the same thing with blue color? At first, you need to make a small circle and then pinch it a little from one side. Now it's time for us to make the design. You can pick up your pencil and start doing it. This looks beautiful. Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Stay tuned for our next video.